And here's how it's done. So you get your soybeans. You can get these from like a Asian shop. They sell them like this. It's really cheap. Soak them and soak them. And then dump out the water. And then you want to add like 1.5 cups of water and measure it out. And pressure cook it for about 25 minutes. And then while that's going on, you get your coffee machine going. Paper filter is best. And light roast seems to work pretty well as opposed to dark roast. I mean, whatever is your preference. Both of them are amazing, but I think light roast tastes a little closer to the mocha ice cream. Okay, and then you just make coffee and then turn it off, let it cool down a little. Oh, and I measured out 4 cups. I don't know why. I don't know why it says like almost 6 cups here, because yeah, it must be a different kind of cup. Or but total liquids should be 5.5 cups, and so we already put 1.5 cups in the soybeans, so 4 cups here. And some nice alcohol-free vanilla, powdered dried ginger, nutritional yeast, whole flax seeds, and this is sucanat. You could, of course, use brown sugar or whatever sugar you have would work too. And nice cocoa powder. And some pitted dates. And then I like to grind that up first before I add the soybeans, so that the flax seeds get completely pulverized, so you don't have chunks in there, little bits and pieces. And then just grind it again with the soybeans. And voila. You can pour it out into, this is like a double recipe, so I like to do 7 portions. You could probably split it into 8 too, depending on how much you want per serving. And then for fun, you can make it like a mint chip kind of taste by adding cocoa nibs. So here in this, I mean, you don't have to microwave it. It's pretty good without any cooking. But you could microwave it, and when it boils, it gets like thicker. So like if you microwave, like if yeah, so and then you can put some cocoa nibs on top, mix it around. So it's like gives it variation in texture. So the really cooked part is really thick, and then the because the microwave cooks it unevenly, which I kind of like. And then once you mix it around, then it's like you got thick parts, you got thin parts, you got crunchy parts. It's amazing.